it's Miss Ariana, and I'm going to show you how to make a puffy ghost. What you need for this craft is any sort of scrap paper or computer paper, about 8 by 11 size, cotton balls, scissors, and some glue. I went ahead and drew a basic ghost shape on this piece of paper. It doesn't need to be orange. I just thought it would look neat. You could do it on white paper, purple paper. Draw any kind of ghost shape you want. It doesn't even have to look like mine. And then cut it out. So after you're done cutting out your ghost shape, put it down. Next thing we're going to do is grab some cotton balls and just glue them all over. A glue stick works well for this too. I'm using this clear glue. Keep going till you have your whole ghost covered. I found it easiest if I put all the glue all over the ghost, like this. You might have to add a little bit more as you go, but if you do this, then you could have fun just putting the cotton balls on. On a piece of black paper, because I want to have black eyes for my ghost, I traced 2 quarters, and then I'm going to cut them out. So I traced my 2 quarter shapes, I cut them out. Those are going to be our eyes. Got to glue those on. And next I'm going to cut out a big, happy smile. Press down on your puffy ghost. Make sure all your cotton balls are stuck in the right place. Put some glue on your face pieces. There's my smile. Here come my eyes. And there you have a puffy ghost. I'll see you guys next week. We're gonna make a Q-tip skeleton.